As we near the end of our program, let us listen to the closing remarks of Mr. Roel S. Laririt, Principal 2 of Landi National High School.
To our distinguished guests, dedicated educators, proud parents, and most importantly, our resilient completers, good morning. As we bring this 11th Moving Up ceremony to a close, my heart is filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude. An event of this magnitude is never the result of a single hand, but the harmony of an entire community working together. First, I wish to extend my deepest appreciation to our guest speaker, Attorney Lorimer Pontevida, Recto. Thank you for sharing your time and your wisdom. Your words have provided our learners with a roadmap for the integrity and excellence they should carry as they move forward. To the Landi National High School Alumni Association, led by the President, Engineer Floro Regencia, and the active officers present today, Engineer Miles Monteloyola, and to your co-members, thank you for never forgetting your roots. Your continued presence and support for our school improvement projects remind our students that they will always have a home here. We also express our thanks to our local leaders, the barangay officials headed by the barangay captain Armando Pedregal, sir, for ensuring that our school remains a safe and supported environment within the community. To our partners in education, the PDA officers led by Ma'am Benilyn Alva, thank you for your tireless cooperation with your co-officers. Your involvement is the bridge that connects the home to the classroom, making our learners' success possible. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our EPS in senior high school, Dr. Nestor Tirualo. Thank you for your leadership and for constant support in our school. To my tireless faculty and staff of the Landi National High School, today is as much your victory as it is the students. Thank you for your patience, your late nights, and for seeing the potential in every child, even they could not see it in themselves. To the parents, proud parents and guardians, look at your children. The medals and certificates they hold are a testament to your sacrifices. Thank you for trusting Landi National High School with their future. And finally, to our grade 10 completers, this moving up is not a goodbye, but a leveling up. You are stepping into a new chapter of your lives with more knowledge, more strength, and more character than when you first entered these gates. Carry the values of Landi National High School with you. Be brave, stay curious, and always aim for the stars. I now officially declare the ceremony closed, but I declare your future wide open. Congratulations, dear completers, and to your parents.